Today, we're going to talk about something a lot of people have been asking lately. We're diving into an exciting topic, call center versus virtual assistant. Which career path is the best fit for you? Stay tuned because this might help you decide with your next big move. Thinking about working as a VA or in BPO, both can provide a stable income. But which one is the best suit to your lifestyle? Here are the 5 key differences to help you decide. Number 1, work setup. The most obvious difference, BPO jobs are mostly office-based, though some now offer hybrid or work from home. VA jobs are fully remote. You can work from home or literally anywhere with internet. If you want flexibility and location freedom, VA work is for you. But if you prefer structure and routine, BPO might suit you better. Number 2, schedule and time zones. BPO work usually follows a night shift or graveyard schedule because most clients are US-based. VA work depends on your client. It can be night shift, but many VAs enjoy flexible hours. Want to keep a normal body clock? VA work has the advantage. Number 3, salary and benefits. BPO jobs usually offer a fixed salary with full benefits, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, HMO, and paid leaves. VA jobs are often project-based or hourly. Hourly rates can be higher, but you manage your own benefits and savings. If you want stability and security, BPO wins. If you want a higher earning potential, VA takes the lead. Number 4, career growth and skills. In BPO, you follow corporate ladder. Promotions are possible, but they can be slow and performance-based. In VA work, you can control your growth. The more skills you learn, like Canva, automation tools, social media, or project management, the more you can earn and attract high-paying clients. If you are self-motivated and love learning, VA work can take you further faster. Number 5, work-life balance. BPO life can be done night shifts, communicating, and overtime can drain your energy. VA life offers freedom, more time with family, working in pajamas, or even traveling while working, as long as you have Wi-Fi or internet. But take note, VA lives is not always easy. You manage your own time, tasks, and sometimes multiple clients. So which is better, VA or BPO? Honestly, it depends on your goals. If you want structure, stability, and company provide benefits, BPO is a solid choice. If you want flexibility, higher income potential, and personal freedom, VA might be perfect for you. At the end of the day, there's no wrong choice. What matters is picking what fits your lifestyle, values, and future plans. If you want more tips about becoming a VA, freelancing, or transitioning from BPO to remote work, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more.